if you can get right there and get it on, then maybe.
Haven just said,
Oh, he's gonna kick his shoes off. Well, that's smart.
That's smart though.
He's got some grip.
his bros better catch him if he falls. Oh no.
What?
Well, it would have been even worse if it stuck him in the leg.
He's gonna cut the line off it. The line. I don't know how to do that.
I thought that was you. I know. I looked at it, but I'm like, it looks like Cameron over there.
Oh my God! See, if he falls right here, he's gonna be.
Okay, I'm not even paying attention to my video.
I would not want to fall on the break.
Oh no!
What is that?
A hook in his mouth.
Oh, bless it. Hard.
Oh, he's alive! He's alive!
I told you he was alive.
I told you guys!
You better cut. You better cut the line.
He's probably stressed out,
He's
dude.
gonna stroke out.
He's doing it.
Don't let him flap in your face and knock you off.
Seagull with the hook.
What is that?
Fish.
Fish form or something?
He probably had bait on
He
it.
probably threw his fishing hook
Hey,
in the mouth
I
in
see
there.
the line now. Do I see the line?
I don't see
No,
it.
what if it was diving and then it got caught? Is it alive? Wait, it is
Yeah, it's
alive.
alive. It tried to get away from him.
It's not a bird, I would think.
Yes, I see.
It's moving! It's alive!
Yeah, it's alive.
Yay!
Oh my God, here comes another one.
Oh God.
What?
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, I would not want to stand
All right,
up
please,
on
guys.
a pole. I have. You have? You want to sit there and relax?
He came right in the middle of a seagull rescue.
It's gonna be the next new reality show.
Yeah.
Ocean out, seafood, seagull rescue.
Well, I don't have my camera. Hey, there's other people out watching
All right,
it.
look, I think they got the hook out.
Woo! Be careful getting down.